Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on OPPO Ace2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wooly AI and click search, and now click install. And now you have to click open. Then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now. Now click open permissions and select AI assistant and then click always. Now you can go back and click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.